Hi and welcome to part 6 of our series on how to design a CO2 dragster in OnShape. What we've done so far is we've designed the side profile of our car, including both our front and rear axles. What we're now going to do is we're now going to design the top profile. In order to design the top profile, we're going to use the bottom face because we need a flat face to design on. So if I just move it over to the bottom and click on bottom on the cube, you'll see it shows up the bottom face. Now you'll see we've got our hidden lines there that we can't design through those lines. So part of the specifications are that we cannot make our dragster any thinner where the axle lines are, and we don't want to design through where the canister hole is. So in order to do this, we're going to use a tool called the mirroring tool, and we're going to create what's called our line of symmetry down the middle, and we're going to design on one half, and then we're going to mirror that on the other half, and we'll go through that in a second. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to click on Sketch. I'm going to choose that bottom face. We're now going to create our line of symmetry. We're going to click the Construction tool, and we're going to click on Line, so we've got a construction line. We're going to hover over the middle till we get to the center. That's what that yellow square represents. And we're going to drag our line down while it's got the dotted yellow line till we get to the other side, and we're going to double click, and that gives us our line straight down the middle. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to untick the construction line. So we're now going to use our spline tool, and we're going to design. Now I'm going to design a little bit of a curve at the nose, so you can zoom in here if you want, and you can actually get a bit closer. I'm going to create a little curve here. I'm just going to finish it there. Hit a double click it. I'm going to maybe do a little curve in the middle here, just to cut out a little bit of material. And notice how I'm not going anywhere near this area here. And at the bottom, I'm just going to create just a little curve just here, just to create like remove a little bit of material at the back there. So what we can now see, if I zoom back out, you'll see we've got our design there. So what we're now going to do is we're now going to use the mirroring tool. Now the first thing we need to do with the mirroring tool is select the mirror line. We're going to select that middle line. That's our mirror line. It now asks us to select the entities to be mirrored. So now I select one, and you'll see it automatically mirror on the other side. And then lastly that line. And we've now got if I click on the tick, we've now got our shape of our car from the top view.